Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain tetrahedron problem demonstration. The tetrahedron of 55 sides rests on one of its corners such that an edge containing that corner is inclined to HP at 50 degree and VP at 30 degree. Then it is beta method problem. Both the sentence angles are given in one sentence. Then start sketching. Take line command. Draw the thin line. Taking 0.13 mm, draw XY line, exactly 0 degree line, 0 degree line with 0.13, you can see 0 degree, and the line thickness always 0.13. I could have selected more thickness 0.13. Then go to diagram, then text command, switch on the caps lock, then capital X, Y, capital X and Y only. Okay, if you have done small letter, please select the capital, switch on the caps lock on, then start naming those X, Y and VP, HP, X, Y, VP, HP. And next, start sketching. You can construct the tetrahedron means triangle you have to construct. The number of sides are 4. You can construct one is length and angle method. Okay, both the methods I will show you. Length and angle method. One is go to click on the edge, 55 side is given 0, then 55, 120, then 55, enter, 120 plus 120, 240. You can go to rotate through window, select the triangle, 0 degree line, center of rotation, point to rotate, clockwise 90 degree. The angle is 90, position angle is 270. You will get corner case and move it wherever it's nearer to XY line. And next one more method is there, polygon by center point. Select and number of sides are 3. Click and make it exactly towards side. Click the triangle, then go to smart dimension. Click on one edge. Click on one edge. Click on one edge and properly you select and drag it, and now type 55. You'll get exactly 55 degree. If it is not exactly 90 degree the line, you can make it to rotate. Select and one point, another point, make the position is exactly 90 degree. You make exactly 90. See, that will any one sketch you can use any one method, and one is sufficient. Delete one. Length and line under length method, angle method, or polygon by center point. And how to draw those? The tetrahedron. Okay, next find out the joining corner to opposite face midpoint. 4 faces are there. Tetrahedron means one corner to opposite face midpoint. Here midpoint, and another corner to opposite face midpoint, and one more corner to opposite face midpoint, and trim those 2 extra lines from all 3 corners joining midpoint, exactly midpoint. If it is not there, just check it. The problem is won't be perfect center point. Here one more time, line, thin line, thin line, or one corner to opposite face midpoint, another corner to opposite face midpoint symbol, and one more corner to opposite face midpoint. Exactly we get. Then all 3 corners to center is your center point. This trim this by using trim command. Trim this the tetrahedron one face, two face, three face, one more back side, and those corners are has to be thick. Pressing control button, or else before joining itself, you take it thick line. Four faces and naming. Start naming the top faces and bottom faces. I will start with naming according to your solution copy. It's your A, it's your B, and it's your C, and O1, and bottom one is O2, O1 and O2. Show the dimension by using smart dimension. Any one side out of those three sides, smart dimension, show it 50. Okay, this is the first position, and give it and zoom the area and project upwards by thin line, continuous line, thin line, project A and C are same line, project up to here, and from here over and O2 90 degree, and B point exactly 90 degree that has to show. Then next trim. Now project axis line, project the axis line, select axis line type is axis, third one, project from axis, give fit, then next zoom a little bit larger area, project axis line, selecting axis line, simply you project. Now this point is A, C, B, and text those points A dash visible and C dash within. Text those points A dash visible within bracket, C dash, and B dash visible, and bottom face is O2 dash won't be visible within bracket O2 dash. And now it's not axis of the prism, it's given edge containing edge. This edge is given 55. Taking arc by center point, this is the important step. Arc by center point, B dash is the center, B dash is the center. Cut this axis line by 55 mm radius. Cut this by 55 mm radius. And next, trim this unwanted extra line. This one also, and join by thick line. Join by thick line. This one is O1 dash thick line. Later you can name this end point O1 dash to A dash, A dash to B dash, and C dash, because axis line we selected, that's why it's showing axis. Make it to continuous line, pressing control button. This and all three lines must be continuous thick line, axis line. Then show the dimension. You have to show the dimension for edge, not for axis. Edge 55 mm. You have to show this dimension 55. B dash to O1 dash. Name those O1 dash. Here is top faces, apex point O1 dash, O1 dash. This completes first step. Project the axis, cut that radius of 55 from D dash, and next this edge is inclined to HP at 50 degree. Simply draw this edge B dash, and O1 dash is inclined to 50 degree from HP. Simply select the line and draw 50 degree line. Draw 50 degree line from here, 50 degree line. Simply you draw so much of length and enter. Angle is 50. This angle is 50, and show the diamond angle from XY line to this XY line to here, XY line to here, angle is 50. On this line, this B dash and O1 dash has to be placed. Go to move, switch on the copy through window including text. You select and point to move B dash, move it over this 50 degree line. move down. Once it comes to end point, single arrow, place and go to rotate, switch off the copy, through window including text you select and center of rotation is B dash, point to rotate, B dash and O1 dash has to be on 50 degree line. Rotate, once that O1 dash touches, it changes pink color, C, place and if the B is down, you move that B to upward, move this B upward, okay, B upward, the dimension also selected, just delete that 55 mm, we don't want, already selecting, the dimension is selected and next move this B dash above and if it is copy is switched on, it's doubling, delete that one B dash. Next step, project downwards for top, or if it is far means as usual, move this, switch off the copy and move it this tetrahedron towards left side or make it third position sufficient space. Next downwards for top view, thin line, project O1 dash minus 90 degree and project B dash minus 90 degree, project A dash and C dash downwards. Those lines are continuous line. Those lines are continuous lines. And next project the O2 dash type, line type 123 O2 dash. Now project all those A towards right side. The B, O1 and O2 are same line, project it and C you project right side. And now if it is the line is not joined here, the A line, here the gap is there, A is joined, okay, and start naming and trim those unwanted endpoint. Here this is point, we don't want this, up to here only, and now the A point, if it is it if it is more lengthy line, just you can zoom here, the end point to get, you can trim it and give it. See now those extra lines are there, here also we want up to C. C is here and now start naming with ABC, where all those points. This is A point, keep taking text A, this is your C, it's your B, it's your, this one is O1, 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 B is here and O2 is here, O2, O2 is here and this one is O1, I selected 0, that is actually change this O1, O1 and O2, okay, O2 won't be visible, B dash also won't be visible, it has to be farthest point, those 2 points are invisible, then you have to show it in within bracket, in bracket. Now show those, select the text command and here is B is in within bracket, show it in within bracket and here is O2 within bracket and this line is this dialog box, this honestly selected, delete this, cut and cancel. Now join those A, B, C and O1. Go to line, thick line thick line here, A to B end point single arrow, B to C intersection, and A end point only here, the gap you have to select end point only, and while before that to get C point end point you can make use of trim. Now go to line, end point, thick line here, end A single arrow, B single arrow, C end point, and A, and now join boundary edges A to O1, O1 to B, B, and next C to C to O1, end point C to O1, and here is B to O1. Forest point is B, it's connected two shorter edges C and A and O1. Those lines are hidden line. Go to select and select these. Yeah, these are the forest point connected two shorter edges, one longer edge. Those three lines are hidden line, make it dotted line. And O2 to O1 is axis. Axis is visible only this much line. Just zoom here. O2 to O1 is axis, but B2 to O1 is B2 to O1 is thick line. That's why we show the axis only from O2 to B. Okay, this is the axis line, and those axis line must be medium thick. Don't show thick line. Only this much is medium thick. Select 0.25 mm. Give fit, and this is beta problem. Our original length is 55 mm. Apparent edge is B2O1. Measure B2O1. Measure O1. B2O1 apparent. Original is 55. This B2O1 is using distance between command. Select this B1 and O1. Measure. You will get 35.35 mm endpoint. Next, draw 30° to VP. Thin line. Continuous line, thin line, select from 30° here only or little bit downwards. Draw and draw it and go to diagram. Angle between from this horizontal line to this line is dimension. The angle is 30. You type, and next if it is lengthy it crossed outside, use those move command and you can move this inside the A4 size. And on this B dash to O1 dash, first mark one B dash line, O1 dash line on this 30° line. Okay, I will take somewhere here and take 55 mm. Zoom this much area. First compass, that is arc by center point. This is the O1 dash point. Take this 55 mm. Radius 55. Here is not height of the prism. Edge 55. Cut this, and from those end point I will trim to get end point. Take thin line from this point, draw locus line towards right side. Cut this locus by apparent 35.5. Go to arc by center point. From this O1 is the center as usual beta method. Cut this by 35.35. Cut this. You can zoom this much area, you will get larger picture. Cut and trim one end to get and join by line from this end point to end point to you fit, join it, zoom this much area, join by this end point single arrow, and now go to extend to next. It will extend, measure the angle between using beta angle from the 0 degree line to this line. You will get exactly 51 degree beta angle. On this line O1 and O2, this tetrahedron has to be placed. Zoom this much area. You will get easily better picture. Move through window including text. You select, see it selected, and O1 and B has to be placed here. Select the O1 point to move and switch on the copy. Place it exactly end point and go to rotate through window including text. You select, select, select. Center of rotation is O1. Point to rotate B. Rotate the B on the 51 degree line. And next, give fit. And if it is A is from here, just move this A to near. And it is copy is switched off. Before moving, switch off the copy and move this A to here and C to up. And next, give fit. And you can zoom this much area and you can project. Okay, these arcs, as because of rotating, the arcs are disturbed. Later you can delete these unwanted extra arcs. Okay, now project upwards with thin line to draw the front view. Thin line, project this first towards right side. There is the apex point and E point. Okay, and B is on XY line only. A and C, O1. Now project A. A is here. Project up to here. And those lines has to be 0. If it is 0 or not, you can check by select tool. Here showing angle 0. This one is 0. And next upwards A, this is the point C, A and C above 90 degree, and B, B is on XY line 90 degree, and O1 is there. Here O1, this line is O1 90 degree, and now you can trim those extra lines. This line is extra, you can trim. Now join, name those points if you have confusion: A dash, B dash, C dash, and O1 dash and O2 dash. Okay, this point is O1 dash, O1 dash boundary, and this is your A dash, this your A dash, it's your C dash, and it's your B dash. Okay, and O2 dash has to project. Now join by thick line, A dash, B dash, C dash. We start with endpoint A, B dash endpoint, C dash to A dash. Now the line has to be joined A dash to O1 dash, then next B dash. Okay, and next here the C dash is C dash to O1 dash end point. Here it's crossing the two thick lines. Then go to select tool. This line is inside and make it to hidden line. Two thick lines never cross. And next is